Good morning, everyone. So, happy Friday. I know probably by the time you guys see this, it's not Friday, it's probably like a Monday, but I hope you guys had an amazing week. You guys don't have to work over the weekend and you're done. It's Friday, you take a break. Hopefully, like I said, you don't have to work on the weekends. If you do, just keep going strong. Just keep going strong, girl. I don't know when your days are off, but just keep going strong. Yeah. So today is hair wash day. It's been 4 days. My hair is oily, so I have to wash it between 3 to 4 days. I cannot stand the way it feels. It just weighs down. It's oily, it's greasy. I just don't like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do that, and then I'm also going to put some fresh lashes on also. These I have on, I believe it's like 4 to 5 days, and they're good. They're really good if you do take good care of them. None of them have fallen off. These I got on Amazon. And then I will probably go, I have a gigantic, massive bag that I have to donate. It's just like clothing, curtains, and just decor. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably stop over to donate that as well. I think those are like my big tasks to do. I just cleaned the house. That's my agenda for today. I did rearrange the living room as well. They don't move. Casey doesn't move. Very minimal. That's how I've been living lately, and I'm just living with what I have right now. We are transferring over to the south in less than a year. There's like no point of getting new furniture and decoring really nicely, so I don't really worry about that. So I did show you a little bit how my house looks. Welcome to another day. Welcome to another day in my life. I hope everyone is doing good. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Jen. We would love for you to stay and become a part of this growing community. We are small, but we will get there. I know we will get there. So I thank you for watching. I just removed the one lashes. Like I said, they're in really good shape. None of them have fallen off, and excuse the fan again because it is very loud and annoying. These are the lashes that I get from Amazon. You can get any from Amazon. These are just what I like, wispy, a bit dark. This is all that I have right now. So how I remove the glue so I can have a fresh set of lashes is I use Vaseline. I put it either on a cloth or a napkin, and I just rub very gently. Just take my time, rub until the glue is removed completely. Another thing that I use is this right here, and this is from, I believe it's Kiss. Yeah, Kiss Falscara. It has double-ended. The one is the bond, where this is the first step, and then once you're done putting your lashes, then you seal them, which is this one right here. This is what you put first. But it is really simple. You just have to find a way. Sit down, be comfortable. Your angle is very important too. I'm left-handed, but for some reason I do my right really quick and better than my left. I have no idea why, but it's simple. At home, you're saving a lot of money. have like these hairs like this. I don't mind it now because I'm not gonna go out or anything like that, but when I do go out, I flatten these little ones that are a little bit, because these are baby hairs, so they're a little bit more stubborn. So I go ahead and I only use a flat iron to just make this a little bit more flatter, but that's pretty much it. I love it. 15 minutes. And this is the technique that I now love to use with this blow dryer brush, the Revlon one. I used to do it just like the regular technique as a blow dryer. However, with this brush, I've noticed that my hair would be frizzy and then my ends would look so horrible. So this technique, parting your hair, starting from the back and rolling it, tugging the roots really well, and then pushing the hair forward and then keep rolling. I think that's like the best technique. You can see I have no frizz, but that's just how I blow dry my hair, and I love it every single time. 15 minutes, and that's all I got. I don't actually do the inner corners because they bother me when I blink, so I just leave them like this. I'm done. The only thing that I have to do is I'm gonna go ahead and seal them, and they should be good for 4 to 5 days or even longer if I want to. The other ones were really good. I just needed to wash my hair, so I wanted to do a fresh set of lashes, but they could last me up to 7 days. I'll wait until they dry, and then I go ahead with the tweezers and I squeeze them together one more time. And that's pretty much it. That's my tutorial. Homemade meals. They have beef, rice, butternut squash, kale, potatoes, beef broth, and omega-3, the oil. Ready? Alright guys, this is our little thing. Every single day we gotta check up on the tomatoes. They are still not growing. They are not growing. They are still the same, but I don't see no new ones. But I mean, I do see a little baby one there, but she's still there, you know. She's still living. Trying to get, you know, trying to get right. Yeah, I mean, I do have a few. I think I have like a dozen, which it's okay. And then my onions, sweet onions. I don't know how long I have to keep these. I'm just going based on what I heard on YouTube. You have to leave them for a couple of months, but if anybody knows, let me know. Went ahead and I planted these over on around May, so please let me know if you know. They're supposed to be, once they're ready, I heard that this top's supposed to like voluntarily fall down, and that's how you know. And then the tips are like, you see that? The tips are that color. So I don't know. Is it ready? If someone knows, please let me know. And then the moment of excitement. Oh, look what I just saw this morning. My first strawberry is getting red. It's getting ripe. Oh, that is, I'm so proud. It has more. And it has more. And it has more. Girl, you thriving. You thriving, girl. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. I cannot wait. So I managed to put this massive bag all the way from upstairs my room all the way into my SUV. This thing is massive, huge, and heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna head over to donate that. And then I have this really cute like jewelry kind of storage. This used to be my daughter. She doesn't want it and I don't need it, so that's also going to be donated. Okay. Oh, and this little one here. Have a good one. Goodbye. And that's that. I love it. You can wait for them to come over and get your stuff, or if you want to just make it quick, just get out of the car and just put the stuff right next to the door and they'll take care of it. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much. I don't want this video to be too long, so I do have a lot of content. I don't know how long it's gonna be. So I try to keep them between 10 and 15 minutes. So thank you so much for coming along with me on my day in my life. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Please sub, like, share, please comment. I love hearing your comments. Any tips you have for me based on my content, please do so. Any questions, please do so. Don't be shy here. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, God bless, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video.